best there's been in a long, long time. It came and went, all the time we spent was gone in the blink of an eye. I've never been quite as content to listen for a while. There wasn't one dull moment while I sat there at my grandpa's table. The world just comes alive. Wisdom flows like water, and history survives. He says, be faithful, always maintain integrity. Stick to your guns, but hurt no one, and love your family. Light, love, and honesty reside at my grandpa's table. Well, now and then I try to pretend that I'm a lot like him, with dignity, majesty, and a beauty from within. A hero who in World War II would have gladly gave his life for this country which he loved. I learned all this at my grandpa's table. The world just comes alive. Wisdom flows like water, and history survives. He says, be faithful, always maintain integrity. Stick to your guns, but hurt no one. Love your family. Light, love, and honesty reside at my grandpa's table. Well, I believe some of the best of me must come from him, and I'm grateful for it. My grandpa's table, the world just comes alive. Wisdom flows like water, and history survives. He says, be faithful, always maintain integrity. Stick to your guns, but hurt no one, and love your family. Light, love, and honesty reside at my grandpa's table. Oh, yeah. God bless our grandfathers, right?